After 60 years of serving Louisville's most vulnerable population with a strong presence in West Louisville, the ElderServe Senior Center has shut the doors, at least for the time being.
And my health is bad. I ain't able to go nowhere else. And this is what I depend on this.
ElderServe, the nonprofit group, says the pandemic and other factors have put them in a financial hole. WHS 11's Isaiah Kim Martinez is continuing our coverage on the shutdown, talking with neighbors who say they cannot afford to wait.
I get a small income and, make ends meet. I'm going to miss it.
For folks like Frank Pilgrim in the Russell neighborhood, the senior center across the street isn't a supplemental service, it's a lifeline.
I get my commodities here, and I really need this place because I'm not able to go nowhere else to get no groceries.
At least twice a month, he relies on its food pantry and workers for companionship and care. He's far from the only one.
It's a lot of senior citizens like me, all these people, we need this place.
ElderServe notifying the public of their closing late last week, calling it a, quote, pause and regroup. Normally, the center is open 9 to 3 Monday through Friday, but now the doors are shut for the time being, leaving neighbors wondering what they're going to do.
We just don't understand. We need some answers.
The nonprofit cites the pandemic and other factors leading to financial hardship. They say they've been operating with critically low resources for some time in an unsustainable model. Neighbors like retired judge and prosecutor Tony Stringer calls it a shock to the community.
All the West Louisville residents who are affected see is yet another service that was provided to this area being taken away without anything to replace it.
Stringer tells me there's not another comparable service nearby, leaving a major void.
And this was not just brick and mortar. This was family for a lot of people. While they're figuring out what they're going to do, what are the former clients supposed to do? Who are they going to turn to now?
Stringer and others, like State Representative Pamela Stevenson, say they want specifics on where things went wrong.
We say it's money, and it could very well be, but why is it money? Did donations drop? Did grants drop? What happens?
ElderServe CEO put some of the onus on the system, saying the center reflects an unrecognized asset to Louisville healthcare. They call this a temporary absence as they work with partners for alternatives, but residents like Pilgrim
take one day at a time and just try to survive.
May not be able to wait that long. In Louisville, Isaiah Kim Martinez, WHAS 11 on your side.